Convoy! What a pleasure to be here back with you. And today I'm going to talk briefly about one of my very favorite seminars. I'm talking about inner harmonization. Well, I know that the name doesn't really fit so well to help you to understand what it's about. But I have to tell you, this is one of the first experience, one of the first techniques that Falco, Roberto Iraudi, our founders of Damanhur, brought to us, and is still one of the basic seminar. So actually, instrument techniques that will involve you every day. Yes, these are everyday techniques because every day we need to harmonize. To harmonize what? Well, the different part. I can talk about the personality, but I can also talk about all the different energy that we are constantly express. But as you know, sometimes these energy are not really completely aligned. Sometimes they are going in opposite direction, or they are even not going really in the direction that we like. So we need something that can really help us to put together all these different elements. So the first level that I have to tell you is extremely experiential. Not so much about talk. Well, of course, you need to learn the techniques, but then a lot of experience. I would almost say that the seminars, it's a sort of mystical journey, because the technique that you're going to learn about the breathing, the prana breathing, and the different position of the body to use the breathing, but also the extremely intense work with the sound. Yes, trying to reach the primordial sound, the sound that has the power of creation, the same sound that you create the first time that you arrive here. Yes, if you remember, when you arrived back in this world, the first things that you did, it was to create a sound. Well, probably was not really harmonic, but enough to say, I'm back. Enough to bring the attention on you. So breathing, position of the body, and sound, they are going to be powerful instrument, yes, to do a sort of mystical journey, because this is really to go and to activate all the vital energy that are contained into your chakras, in what we call in Damanhur Adonaiba. And now I have to talk a little bit about the second level of the inner harmonization seminar. We are in the second year of the Mystery School, and as in the second year we are using the metaphor of open yourself to the others, to the energy, with a new conscious of yourself. Well, in the inner harmonization technique, we are starting with the position of the seed. Yes, let's say the first level was to understand. It was like to maturate the seed, to really find out what the seed is containing. Is maybe a flower, a tree, a plant. Well, now with a completely new consciousness, we are ready to bloom the seed and finally to express who we are. So we are going to go deeper and deeper in technique that in this case are again connecting to position of the body, but now we are starting to work with the light. Yes, like a seed that blooms, well, is receiving now the energy from above, from the skies, from the sun, from God. So the energy of the light, and the energy of the light in the different frequencies, in the different colors. So we learn how to nourish the body, the spirit, the soul through the different colors, through the different sound, through position, through breathing. Third level of inner harmonization. Oh, this is very exciting, because now that we are using so many techniques, and probably, I mean, you've been doing this every single day, because the technique of inner harmonization are really something that can follow us during our spiritual journey every day. So the third level is the time to start to use the body and to start to use our consciousness to tune with that experience, with that mind race, as we call them, connecting to different life forms. It's like to expand our conscious, it's like to expand our experience, being part of experience of other life forms. So the position of the body and the different sounds connecting to that, they are going to help you to tune with the life forms, with the animal of the earth, to the life forms and the animal of the water, to plants, to trees, and to many other beings. So it's going to be extremely experiential, but again, extremely is an expansion of your conscious. We're going also to learn how to use sounds and vowels in a different way to start also to have healing or to receive a healing effect for many different issues or diseases that we have. So another very intense journey inside and outside of you.